Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your sensitive content option in Twitter. So without any delay, let's start our video. First, go to your Twitter application. Now click your profile icon on top of your left screen. Just click here and now click the option setting and support, and there will be another option called setting and privacy. Here just click that option now, and here you can see the option content you see. Just click that option as well. Now to turn off the sensitive content option, all you have to do is select this option, display media that may contain sensitive content. Just click that option and it will turn into blue. And another setting that you have to change is select the search setting option, and here the hide sensitive content, all you have to do is turn it off by clicking it. Just click here and now you're good to go. Now you can see all the sensitive content like the violence and adults content on Twitter, and you can consume all the content that you want. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you in any way. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on next one.